Hey, it's Mr. Johns, and finally got the trailer I needed to haul medium logs. Now it's just a process of hauling medium logs. So looking at my goals here in the upper right corner, I have to deliver 3 loads of medium logs to the farm and 3 loads of medium logs to the town storage. I have 1 trailer. So keeping in mind this is a tutorial level, I believe what they are wanting me to do or try is multiple trailers, or maybe even towing another truck with a trailer to try to be a little more efficient with my running back and forth. I, however, am broke, or pretty close to it after buying that trailer, and we'll probably just make the 6 runs back and forth for the logs. And this will be my last true Black River mission, and then I can move on to the other 2 regions of Michigan. And finally, this mission is finished. Fantastic. We got $22,450 basically in rewards and 2060 experience. Catch me in the next episode when we move on to the next region.